Hello, and welcome to Module 0 of the Linux Workshop. In this module, I'll teach you how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a software that allows you to install a different operating system to run alongside your current operating system. For instance, I'm running on a Mac right now, but I want to install Ubuntu so I can also have Linux on my Mac. I've previously installed VirtualBox. This is what it looks like when you open it. The icon looks like this. So I've opened it. I currently have another VirtualBox that I've already previously created. It's a different flavor of Linux, but in this module I'll run through how to install Ubuntu, the most popular version of Linux. So after you've installed VirtualBox, the first step is to download Ubuntu, which you can get from ubuntu.com/download. So I have already downloaded this. It is about 2 gigs, so it'll take a little bit of time. And so once you've downloaded this, then you want to come back over here and you want to select New. So you first want to give your machine a name. I'm going to call it Ubuntu. It's Linux. It's already guessed it for you. It's Linux, and my version is a 64-bit. So I hit Continue. And now you want to allocate some amount of memory to your machine. And I'm just going to go with the recommended memory size, although it would be a good idea to increase it, but for now we'll just stay with the recommended. So in this step I want to create a new virtual hard disk, and it's going to create one that's 8 gigs. So I say create. I want to choose VDI, VirtualBox disk image, and hit continue. I want to keep my physical hard disk to be dynamically allocated. And now I want to tell it how big do I want this machine to be? How much memory do I want to have? So I'm going to increase it. 8 gigs is really too little. I'm going to increase it to 30. I'm just going to go do it here. Okay. And then I'm going to hit create. So now, as you'll see, I have this new machine here called Ubuntu, and it's currently powered off. So now what I want to do is I want to hit start. And here it's going to, it wants that image that I've downloaded. And so I need to hit the file button and I need to direct it to my downloads and my image. And the extension for an image will be ISO. And I hit open. And now I hit start. Now what VirtualBox is going to do is it's going to run me through the installation of Ubuntu. And this process is pretty straightforward. Even for those of you who have never seen Linux before in your life, it's pretty straightforward. So what you want to do is you want to install Ubuntu. Now if you have internet, it's a good idea that as you're installing you just download updates while you're installing, or you'll have to do it after you're done. Continue. So now it says your computer has detected no operating systems. Of course, you still have your base operating system, but that machine that you have now created in that space is empty. So you can say erase disk and install Ubuntu. And install now. And this is all good. Okay, you give it time zone. And your preferred keyboard configuration. Mine is English. Yes, that's good. And now I give it my name, and so Casey, and it's going to create this as my computer name. That's fine. My username Casey, and then I'll type in a password. Okay. And now I can hit continue. Now it's going to go through the installation process. Seems to be zipping through. Okay, so now the installation is complete, and it says you need to restart your computer. So I say restart now. It's asking me to remove the installation medium, then press enter. Since mine was just a file instead of a disk, it's as good as removed. Okay, and so it's restarted, and now I have Ubuntu. And if my username rather is Casey, and my password is what I set up during installation, and can log in. And there you go. So now I have Ubuntu that is now running on my Mac. So in the next module, we will learn some more about this Linux GUI, how to navigate it, where things are, how to get to things, how to update, and all that kind of stuff. So see you next time.